What is up, guys? It is Captain Chewy here, and I am on Grandpa Chewy's account. And two unsuccessful live streams, and trying to show you guys me getting to 20. And guys, I freaking did it off camera, but I freaking did it, guys. Oh my goodness, so freaking excited. As we look at this task force, we're in Flint, Michigan's. I was just aiming for 9th. I wanted to knock. I wanted to knock these two guys out and take their positions so bad, so I could get in the top 10 of Flint, Michigan's task force. Which, you know, these guys freaking rule. And, you know, it's one of those things. But, guys, I was super excited. I was trying to get this. I wanted to do it on the live stream, but didn't get the live stream. So I'm going to go ahead and show you these last 5 attacks or these last 6 attacks. This last win streak that I got. And then I parked. I made it to 20. You know, that's it. So let's start down here, guys. All these stinking attacks, guys. Holy stinking cow. You know. So let's get in here and watch this. Let's turn that down. There we go. That was probably loud. Look, there we go, flying the last ER. Boom, sucker. That one goes down. And Rev, I know that wasn't. I was trying. Hopefully these attacks are looking close to that Rev drop. Trying to throw those critters out in front of everybody. Trying to keep Brick alive and moving forward. Battle orders. Popping. Boom. That one goes down. Like I said, I don't know how I won some of these. He was really slow on that one. I just got lucky. For real. All it was I got stinking lucky. Had some good rolls on bases. We did that critter drop up top. Flared to the ER. Boom. Melon bombardiers. Guys, this is gonna be sad seeing the Meloniers go away. Man, this was a close one. I don't know how I won with these times. I just ended up finding 6 guys that really sucked at this game more than me. No. These guys are great players, and just they didn't. This noob got the best of them, you know. Because that's what I am. I am a straight up noob, guys. Oh, guys. So I figured after 2 failures today with the live stream, I figured that this would be at least a good way to end out the season. Guys, we made it to 20 with Grandpa Chewy. We made it to 21 with Captain Chewy and Manic Panda. We made it to we made it up to 16. At where we're sitting at right now, we made it all the way up to 17 with it, but we'll drop back down. And then, oh Lord, I don't know which one I showed you last. Yeah, it was, yeah, right here. Alright, here we go. Going back to that drop. Brick on the right side. Just trying to keep them moving. Still throwing critters. Critters just seem to be like the OG critters for the win. They were the clutch troop. I don't know if you call the critters a clutch troop, but all right, the last one, guys. Our rank 20. Man, it was a good attack. Get in here and show you this. Trying to get rid of all those mines up there with the critters. Mainly the shock mines. It hurts so bad. They slow you so down. They slow you down so much. That is what I'm talking about right there. Boom, shaka, laka. Victory Screech! So yeah, guys, that was it. That was getting up to rank 20, which, you know, I can't be more ecstatic about it. You know, I'm telling you, all I wanted to do was knock those two guys out and get 9th spot. God, I hope they don't come back on and take the spot back. But still, I made it. Oh gosh, I have video documentation that I made it past these two guys. Point blank. Oh guys, if you two watch my YouTube channel, I'm sorry. I knocked you out of your position in the task force. Sorry. But then again, not sorry. Because I wanted it so bad. And we'll see if it holds. Guys, I'm telling you, this task force is freaking amazing. Captain Chewie's main task force, you guys freaking killed it. Man, everybody killed it. Everybody. I'm going to show you what I did in this operation. Wasn't great. Wasn't bad. I liked it. I was going for something a little different. But, drop. Get on drop. Smoke, 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 smoke. You guys can correct me on what I needed to do. I was hoping that bullets stepped up a little bit more. I was early, I know, on the taunt. But more or less I wanted to do as much damage as I could. It probably would have helped maybe to flare up to this one again with bullet, maybe. But I still think those guys would have got me. But anyways, that's what I did for that. I thought it was a good attack. You know, you guys were probably sitting there, you stinking noob. You know, just trying to make more room for the next guy. You know. But anyways, that is that. Guys, thank you for watching my live stream, my other videos. Thank you, you know, big time. If you've got anybody in your creator boost, make sure you keep that updated every 7 days. I've got Mr. Skull Crusher in there, the OG himself, my favorite YouTuber, as I've said in past videos. If you've got anything, you know, instant training, extra builder, put you a YouTuber in there, guys. Support the guys. No matter who you do, Skull Crusher, the Cosmic Duo, the Chicken, whoever, Shish Kebab, Zedmont, anybody that you want in there, put them in there. Support, guys. That's all I got to say. Yo, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful night. I've got to get up in like 3 hours, so I'm going to bed. Let's see, when this ends at 4 a.m. I got to be at work at 4 a.m., so 4 hours. I got to be at work. So I held it in there, guys. You guys have a wonderful night, and thank you again for watching. Deuces. Later, guys. Victory, Screech. Blah, 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 blah.